how to create a website with Odoo. So hello there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a website with Odoo for free. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit odoo.com right here, and before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So now let's move forward to our main steps. So simply tap on to start. Now it's free on this option. Also you can tap on to try it free. And if you have previously used Odoo this site, then you can also sign in. So for now I'm going to tap on to start. Now it's free, this option, and from there you have to choose your website, like it is a website only website, like or e-commerce website, e-learning or live chat website. Now you have to choose your sales, for example CRM sales or invoicing and all other things, operations, purchase and all other things. From here, manufacturing, for example, I'm not going to choose this one. I'm going to also choose okay, that's enough I think. Now let's tap on to continue. Now you have to enter your first name, last name, your company name. Then you have to tap on to start now. You have to enter your phone number, then tap on to start now. So after clicking on to start now, there we go. As you can see, welcome to Odoo. Now you have to go to it, wait until it loads perfectly. As you can see, it is building my website, building your CRM and all other things. Wait it until it's completely make my customized websites. As you can see, this is just checking out all the things and it is making a website for me. Okay, till then I'm gonna go to Odoo again and let's go there. Try creating another website until it loads perfectly. Okay, that's enough. Let's again enter all the name, then tap on to start now. Okay, website. Let's tap on to start now. Maybe this one is okay. Let's do it. Now you have to enter some basic questions. Now okay, now let's tap on to build my website, and then Odoo will create a custom website according to on my need. Wait until it loads completely. As you can see, it is applying colors and designs to my website. It is searching for some images to add on my website. For example, I think I chose children's site, so it should be children friendly website. Wait until it loads perfectly. Till then, let's check out to our another website. So basically I am showing you to how to make websites here, but at the same time I am showing you two types of website. For example, an online store, I'm going to tap marketing, then I'm going to choose develop the brand, then tap on to build my website. So I'm showing you two types of website. You can create many websites according to your need. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and there we go. It is again designing my other websites. So this is as simple as that. This is how you can create a website. As you can see, as I told you, it must be a children-friendly website. So as you can see, there are some teddy pigs and all other things. Now let's say you want to edit them. You can just simply tap onto the edit option. By clicking onto the edit option, you can edit text, images and all other things. You just have to play around with all these options and you will be able to understand how to edit them. For example, I want to edit this text, healthy generations. So simply I'm gonna delete it and I'm gonna type healthy kids. Okay, now okay, there's a spelling mistake. Wait, okay, now let's change this text font. You can make it bold and also you can animate it if you wish to. You can make it size more larger and all other things. For now you can also change the border color like this. This one is maybe red one is perfect. Okay, now let's say you want to add some shadows to it. You can add shadows if you wish to. Like as you can see here at the top right, you can add shadows. So as you can see, shadows has been added, and you can make it larger. Now let's say you want to change the theme, background theme, so simply tap onto themes, and from there you can choose your themes here, like the background themes. Simply tap onto them, you can choose it. Wait until it loads. Now let's say you want to edit, you want to upload some images here, so simply choose the image that you want to add, then right click on it, or you can also delete the image. Okay, let me reverse it. Let's edit this image. There we go. Now you can search an image, also you can upload an image if you wish to. So let's tap onto this one, let's tap onto open, and there you go. This is how you can upload an image. You can also upload more images if you wish to. You can tap onto open and wait it. Okay, now let's say you want to add more images to your site, so simply tap onto this site. Wait, and now you can edit this text from here. You can change the color of the text, for example like this light one. So this is how you can customize all other things from your Wix website, and these things, just check them out and you can add them, edit them. You can add more icons from here. Lastly, you have to save it, and now here at the top right corner you can see this option, configuration. Simply tap on the configuration, then you have to tap on to domain name. So this is basically how you can connect your website, like Odoo website, to your domain easily. Okay, now tap on to domain name. There we go, and share your email address, and then Odoo will send a code to your email. Then you have to tap onto it and go to your Gmail address, like go to your Gmail and confirm your identity, and then you will be able to add domain to your site. So let me tap on to click to activate your address. So there we go. Tap on to sign in, and my account is now activated. So let me reload the page for now. Okay, so there we go. Now tap onto here, you can see my website is ready. Now you can upload it according to your need. Let me cancel this one. Tap on, let me send tap. Okay, let's reload the page. So this is your website, and that's it. This is how you can create a website using Odoo. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on another video.